हेलो, मैं हूं आकाश अरोड़ा फ्रॉम न्यूयॉर्क और जुगनू भाई से लड़कर झूठा ही सही को डिले कर मैं आया हूं आपसे रक्त चरित्र की बात करने। There has been a lot of anticipation about रक्त चरित्र। क्या वो सत्या होगी या निशब्द? क्या वो सरकार होगी या अज्ञात? क्या वो भूत होगी या नाच? And frankly, I must tell you that this is amongst RGV's worst movies ever. पॉलिटिक्स के पावरफुल मैन पर सरकार और सरकार राज बनाने के बाद one had a lot of expectations from रक्त चरित्र, but there is nothing new in it. In fact, it's like a stylized version of Sunil Shetty and Akshay Kumar का revenge drama from the 90s. The hero is a one-dimensional revenge-seeking robo, and the villains are cardboardishly killing and raping baddies. पर शुरुआत से शुरू करें तो राजेंद्र गुप्ता एक लोअर कास्ट के लीडर है जिनसे अपर कास्ट वाले जेलस है। अपर कास्ट पीपल पार्टी लीडर के कान भरते हैं और कुछ सीन्स बाद राजेंद्र गुप्ता इज किल्ड। उनका सारा काम उनके बड़े बेटे संभालते हैं, पर कुछ देर में उन्हें भी मार दिया जाता है। तब विवेक जो शहर में पढ़ रहे हैं अपने पिताजी और भाई की मौत का बदला लेने मैदान में उतरते हैं। दूसरी तरफ अपर कास्ट लीडर के बेटे अभिमन्यु सिंह इज द मेन विलन, बुक्का रेड्डी। Bukka is one complete 90s style villain who goes around picking women from the streets, killing and torturing people with outlandish weapons like a concrete drill. Story की बात करें तो it can be written on the back of a postage stamp and there will still be space for the national anthem. Vivek ties up with Shatrughan Sinha, the actor turned politician chief minister. The chief minister makes him in charge of law and order. And along the way, rather easily and rather undramatically, he kills his enemies. This is the story of Rakt Charitra. Technical points की बात करें तो things are भयानकली bad. The camera work induces a headache. Even when the villain's brother is just walking over to meet someone, the camera takes a 360-degree turn. God. The editing is patchy and very often you feel that the shots are very abruptly cut. Loud chanting and rumbling drums pass off as background music. And music. Actors की बात करें तो if this was the States, Ashish Vidyarthi and Darshan Jariwala would have sued RGV for criminally wasting them. Newcomer Radhika Apte, Sushant Singh, Rajendra Gupta and Shatrughan Sinha are good. Baddies are okay. Vivek is well cast in the lead role and he begins well, especially in this fight scene at the police station. But then deteriorates to just walking with imaginary melons under his arms. The surprise package and probably the biggest redeeming factor for the whole movie is Abhimanyu Singh's performance as Bukka Reddy. He brings the character so completely to life कि हमें कहना ही पड़ेगा। दूर दूर गांव में जब कोई बच्चा रोएगा तो माँ कहेगी सो जा बेटा वरना बुक्का रेड्डी आ जाएगा। Two credit rolls and irritatingly bad voiceover. No cell phones but latest car models. Not showing the elder brother being killed. And a maturest concept of not showing the character's face on screen. These are some of the silly and lazy decisions taken by RGV in Rakt Charitra 1. We perhaps generously give it 2 stars.